You know, from the very beginning, like you said, who are your people? Like, I want to know, was I from like a long line of like fighters, warriors? Who am I?
Is there anything in particular that you're hoping to learn today?
I think just a connection to who I am and to where I come from, because I just don't know anything. And I'm okay with that. I'm okay, I think, in a way, maybe that helped me to invent myself in my own way. Because I didn't even grow up with my real father. You know, he left when I was very young. But yeah, I just don't know. I'm a little bit scared. It's a vulnerable kind of feeling, but really excited about it. And I don't really know because I don't know what to expect or what it's going to do to me.
I suppose I wanted to know because my father is getting older now. I realize that, you know, all of that kind of baby boomer generation in my family, they're all either getting older or gone. We don't really have like a family archivist. I'm certainly not that person. And I have a son now, he's 3, and you just start thinking about all that stuff. Parents getting older, new baby, and I just want to share it with both of them, I suppose, and then, you know, also for myself.
You know, from the very beginning, like you said, who are your people? Like, I want to know, was I from like a long line of like fighters, warriors? Who am I? Also, I do suffer, this is very weird, and I don't know if we delve into this in the show, I don't think so. But I will get to further my research once I find out. I have some health stuff. I have Meniere's disease. It's like migraine, vertigo, really bad vertigo. Like, where do most people have that? Like, what race?
Like, where does it come from?
Yeah.
I know that both of my parents had many siblings, and so I think there was very much this survival instinct of take care of you and yours,
Right.
and there's no need to go litigate the past. And so I think one of the reasons why I'll be quite honest, I want to do the show is because not only as a child of immigrants, but as a child whose father was born in 1950, a couple years after the partition of India, there isn't this desire to look back, but I think it's important for me as a member of my family to have this for my children and have this for my cousins and extended family. I think this is important.
To see more incredible family history stories, click here. And thank you for watching.